Are your teams still relying on spreadsheets and manual reports to manage daily operations? It's time to bridge the digital gap and boost productivity with our Digital Operational Excellence training. Many manufacturing organizations have mastered lean methodologies, but struggle to integrate digital tools into their processes. Our training helps you combine proven lean thinking with the power of the Microsoft Power Platform, including Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. With our programs, your teams will learn to automate reporting, create real-time dashboards, and replace paper-based workflows with digital solutions. This means less time spent on repetitive admin tasks and more time focused on improvement and problem solving. Whether you need standard training, custom solutions, or a collaborative approach, we offer flexible options to fit your needs. Empower your teams to drive efficiency, improve visibility, and accelerate continuous improvement with practical digital skills. Start your digital transformation journey today.